Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu in the interpretation of the verse La tuharrik bihi lisanik says, when Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam would descend with the revelation, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam would move his tongue and lips quickly in order to learn it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse. Translation: Move not your tongue quickly with the Quran that you may learn it. Undoubtedly, it is upon us to preserve it in your heart and make you recite. Surah Qiyamah verse 16-17. And in the interpretation of فَإِذَا قُرَآنَهُ فَاتَّبِعُوا قُرْآنَهُ. Translation: So when we have already recited it, follow then its recital. Surah Qiyamah verse 18. He said, when we revealed the Quran to you, you should listen to it attentively. And in the interpretation of Inna alayna bayanahu. Translation: It is upon us to make clear its minute details. Surah Qiyamah verse 19. He said, we will make you narrate the Quran. After it, when Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam would come, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam would sit down, lowering his head, and when Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam depart, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam would start reciting as per Allah's Jalla Jalaluhu promise. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1003.